Are you enjoying the party?
Yeah, it's great. I don't really know many people here, though. I'm Jeremiah, by the way.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Michelle. How do you know Jake?
We actually went to school together back in college. And you?
Oh, wow, same. We've been friends for years. Small world, right?
So small.
Welcome to Let's Talk English, the podcast where you learn real, natural English just by listening to real conversations.
I'm Jeremiah.
And I'm Michelle. Today's episode is all about small talk at a friend's party, one of the most common and sometimes most nerve-wracking situations for English learners.
We're going to have a full, natural conversation, just like you'd hear at a real party, and then we'll break it all down for you.
There are so many great phrases and expressions packed into this episode, so listen carefully. You'll hear things people say every single day.
And don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. That's totally normal. Just keep listening and it will start to feel more natural.
Let's get into it.
Oh, wow. This place looks great. I love what Jake did with the lights.
Right? And it smells amazing in here. I think he's been cooking all day.
He always goes all out. That's just Jake.
That's so true. Hey, grab a drink. I think there's lemonade and soda on the table over there.
Oh, perfect. I'll grab one. Do you want anything?
I'm okay for now. Thank you, though.
Okay. I don't really know anyone here except you and Jake. This is a little intimidating.
I know that feeling. But honestly, everyone here is really friendly. Just start with the people closest to you. It's easier than it looks.
That's actually really good advice. Okay, I'll give it a shot.
Okay, let's pause right there and talk about a few phrases we just used.
First one, he always goes all out. This means someone puts in a lot of effort. If someone goes all out for a party, they really try hard to make it special. You might also hear, she went all out for the wedding, or even, they really went all out with the decorations.
Nice one. Next, I'll give it a shot. This means I'll try it. It's super common in casual English. You can say it about almost anything. I've never tried sushi, but I'll give it a shot. Or, I've never been skiing before, but sure, I'll give it a shot.
And finally, I don't really know anyone here. The word really here softens the sentence. Instead of saying, I know 0 people, which sounds very strong, I don't really know anyone sounds more natural and relaxed. You can use really this way in lots of situations. It makes your English sound less robotic and more like a native speaker.
Exactly. Small words like really, actually, and honestly make a huge difference in how natural your English sounds. Keep listening out for them. Let's keep the conversation going.
Hey, I'm Jeremiah. I don't think we've met.
Oh, hi, I'm Michelle. Nice to meet you. Are you friends with Jake?
Yeah, we went to college together. What about you?
Oh, I actually work with him. We're on the same team at the office.
Oh, no way. That's so cool. What kind of work do you do?
We work in marketing. It's pretty fun, actually. Lots of creative stuff. What about you? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English, actually.
Oh, that's amazing. That must be so rewarding.
It really is. I love it. It has its challenges, but yeah, I wouldn't trade it for anything.
That's such a great attitude. How long have you been teaching?
About 4 years now. Time flies, honestly.
It really does. 4 years already. So, do you live around here?
Yeah, not too far. Just about 10 minutes away, actually. You?
I'm about 20 minutes away. I almost didn't come tonight because the drive always feels longer at night, but I'm really glad I did.
Same, honestly. It's always worth it once you're actually here.
All right, another language break. That conversation was full of great phrases.
Let's start with, oh, no way. This is a very common reaction in English. It shows surprise and interest. It doesn't mean something is impossible. It means, wow, really? That's surprising. For example, I was in Paris last summer. Oh, no way. I love Paris.
Next, that must be so rewarding. When something's rewarding, it means it gives you a good feeling. It's meaningful. It feels worth it. We often say jobs or hobbies are rewarding. You can also say volunteering is really rewarding, or running a marathon is hard, but it's so rewarding at the end.
And here's one I really like. I wouldn't trade it for anything. This is an idiom. It means you love something so much you wouldn't change it or give it up. I love being a teacher. I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's a strong, warm way of saying something is precious to you.
And finally, time flies. This means time passes very quickly. You'll hear this all the time in English. I can't believe it's already December. Time flies. Or, we've been talking for 2 hours already. Time really flies when you're having fun.
That last version is actually a very common full saying. Time flies when you're having fun. You'll hear that a lot too. Okay, back to the party.
So, do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Actually, yeah. I'm going hiking on Sunday with some friends. I've been trying to get outside more lately.
Oh, I love that. Where are you going?
There's this trail about an hour from here. It's supposed to have an incredible view at the top.
That sounds so nice. I need to do more of that. I feel like I spend way too much time indoors.
Same. It's easy to get stuck in your routine, you know?
Totally. Well, if you ever want a hiking buddy, let me know. I've been meaning to get back into it.
Seriously? That would be awesome. I'll text Jake your number, if that's okay.
Please do. Yeah, I'd love that.
Cool. So, how was your week, by the way? Busy?
Oh, super busy. We had a big project deadline at work, so the whole team was pretty stressed. But we got it done, so relief.
I can imagine. There's nothing better than finishing something you've been working hard on.
Honestly. And now I get to be here, eating good food and meeting nice people. So it all worked out.
The best reward. Let's break down a few more phrases from that last conversation.
I've been trying to get outside more lately. The phrase get outside doesn't just mean physically going outdoors, it often means making time for nature, fresh air, and activities away from screens or work. Lately means recently, over the past few days or weeks. So, I've been trying to cook more lately. It means you've been making a recent effort.
Next, it's easy to get stuck in your routine. A routine is the set of things you do regularly, like going to work, coming home, watching TV. To get stuck in it means you repeat the same things every day without changing. Very common expression. You can also say, I'm in a rut, which means the same thing.
And I've been meaning to. This means I've been wanting to do this, but I haven't done it yet. For example, I've been meaning to call my grandmother, or I've been meaning to try that new restaurant. It shows intention, but not action yet. It's a very polite and natural way to talk about things you plan to do.
It all worked out. This means everything worked out well in the end, even if it was stressful. The project was hard, but it all worked out. You'll hear this one a lot. People also say everything worked out fine, or just it worked out. All the same meaning.
Oh my goodness, have you tried the food yet? Jake made everything from scratch.
Wait, really? Like, he cooked all of this himself?
Yes, he's an incredible cook. He started cooking during the pandemic and never stopped.
That's impressive. What is that dish over there? The one with the noodles?
Oh, that's a Vietnamese noodle salad. It's one of his specialties. You have to try it.
I'm not sure I've had Vietnamese food before, to be honest.
Oh, you'll love it. It's light and fresh, not heavy at all. Just give it a try.
Okay, you're convincing me. I'll grab some.
And there's also a pasta dish and some kind of vegetable curry. He really outdid himself tonight.
Wow, I need to learn how to cook like this. I basically survive on toast and cereal right now.
Well, maybe you can ask Jake for some cooking tips before the end of the night.
You know what? That's actually not a bad idea. Maybe I'll finally learn something useful tonight.
Let's look at some phrases from that food conversation.
He made everything from scratch. This means he made everything himself using raw ingredients, not from a packet or a store. If you bake a cake from scratch, you didn't use a box mix. It shows real effort and skill.
That's impressive. This is a simple but very useful phrase in English. You say it when something surprises you in a positive way, when someone has done something difficult or unusual. You ran a marathon? Wow, that's impressive.
I'm not sure I've had before. This is a polite way to say you haven't tried something. Notice the structure. I'm not sure I've had Vietnamese food before. It's softer than I've never had that. It sounds more open and less definitive.
And he really outdid himself tonight. Outdid himself is a great expression. It means someone did even better than they usually do. Their normal standard is already good, but tonight they exceeded it. outdid himself or outdid herself. Very common in social situations.
Such good ones. I love this episode.
Oh, I think Jake's about to do a little speech or something. He's heading toward the center of the room.
Oh, fun. I love that he does stuff like that.
Yeah, very Jake. Hey, it was really nice talking with you, Jeremiah.
You too. Genuinely. This was a great chat.
Don't forget to text Jake about the hiking thing.
I won't. I'll do it tonight. Enjoy the rest of the party, Michelle.
You too. And hey, welcome to the friend group, I guess.
I'll take it.
A few quick ones to wrap up.
This was a great chat. A chat is a casual, friendly conversation. It's more informal than conversation or discussion. Perfect for social situations. You could also say, it was great talking with you. Same meaning, slightly more formal.
And welcome to the friend group. This is a fun, warm phrase to say when you want someone to feel included. It's casual and friendly. You might hear it between people who just clicked. Just clicked, by the way, means two people immediately liked each other and got along well.
And I'll take it. This expression means I accept that and I'm happy about it. It's used when something is offered or when something good happens unexpectedly. You got a 90%. I'll take it. It has a slightly joking, humble tone that English speakers really like.
And that is a wrap on today's episode of Let's Talk English.
We hope that felt like a real conversation, because that's exactly what it was. Natural, easy, the kind of English you'll actually hear at a party, at work, or meeting someone new.
We covered so many useful expressions today. Going all out, giving it a shot, time flies, I wouldn't trade it for anything, it all worked out, and so many more.
Try to use at least one of these phrases in your next conversation, even just one. That's how you make new vocabulary stick.
The best way to get better at English is to keep listening to it. So come back next week and we'll have another real conversation for you to practice with.
If you enjoyed today's episode, share it with a friend who's learning English. It really means a lot to us.
Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in the next one.
See you then.
Bye!